Hi guys, this is going to be the tutorial that's going to show you how to make these gratifying textured shells. To do this stitch, you can use any size yarn and whatever hook size that yarn recommends. I'm using worsted weight yarn, which is 4-ply for the US, 10-ply for Australia, and I'm using a 5mm hook or a size H hook for the US. The multiples of this stitch is 8 plus 2, and what that means is that you're going to chain loosely in sets of 8, 8, 8, 8 till you reach your desired width. Once you have, you'll chain 2 more and you'll be ready to begin row 1. Okay, I've done my multiples of 8. Now I have it the width that I want, so I'm going to go ahead and chain 2 more, and now I'm ready to begin row 1. For row 1, you want to double crochet in the second chain from your hook. So count 1, 2. In the second chain, you want to put a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in this fourth chain over, you want to double crochet 9 double crochets, all worked in that same chain. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have your 9 double crochets. You're going to skip 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and in this fourth chain, you're going to anchor that down by doing a single crochet. Then you're going to repeat this for your row. Again, you're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in this fourth chain over, you're going to work your 9 double crochets. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And again, you want to skip 3, 1, 2, hard to see this one, 1, 2, 3, and then this fourth one, put a single crochet. And then again, you'll skip 3, and in the fourth, you'll work your 9 double crochets. And then again, you'll skip 3, and then the very last chain, you'll work a single crochet. Okay, for row 2, I did exactly what I just told you to do off screen. I did my 9, skip 3, and then single crocheted in the final to end row 1. So for row 2, you're going to start off by chaining 3 and turn. Now we're going to be working in our 9 double crochets that we did. So you're going to skip the very first double crochet, and we're going to be using the next 3 double crochets to do a double crochet decrease. So yarn over, skip the very first double crochet, and then go into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, only pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, only pull through 2. Then you'll do that one more time. Go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, only pull through 2, 4 loops on your hook, pull through all 4 loops. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. The very next stitch, which should be the very center of your 9 double crochets, you want to put a single crochet there. Then again, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then working in the very next double crochet and using the next 2 as well. So these next 3, again, you'll be skipping the very last one. These next 3 will also be a double crochet decrease. So yarn over, go into the first one, pull up a loop, only pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the next loop, pull up a loop, only pull through 2. And then do that one more time, leaving 4 loops on your hook like before, and you'll pull through all 4 of those. and then you'll chain 1. Then you're going to move over to your next shell here and do the same thing. Again, you're going to skip that first double crochet, then go ahead and yarn over and go into that second stitch, and then you're going to start your decrease. So you're only going to be pulling through 2, and you're going to repeat that for the next 2 stitches as well, because when we do the decrease it's going to be with 3 stitches. Then you'll pull through all 4 loops, and then you'll chain 3. The next stitch should be the center stitch. You'll be doing a single crochet in there, and then chain 3 again, and now you're going to be going right into the next stitch, and using the next 3 stitches you'll do your double crochet decrease. Pull through all 4 loops. Then you'll chain 1, and then again you're going to repeat it on your next shell. You'll skip the first, do double crochet decrease using the next 3. You'll chain 3, single crochet in the middle. You'll chain 3, and then you'll do your double crochet on this side. And then at the very end, when you've done your decrease, then just double crochet in the very last single crochet of your row. So I'm going to come back here after my last decrease here, and I'll show you how to end the row. Okay, I just did my decrease. I just pulled through all 4 of my loops, and now I'm going to find the very last single crochet of the row here, and I'm going to put a double crochet in that last stitch, and that ends row 2. And the repeats for this will be rows 2 and 3. So we just did row 2, so I'm going to show you row 3, which is a chain 1 and turn. And again, you're going to do just like you did for row 1. You're going to single crochet in that very first stitch, and then this time you're going to do your 9 double crochets like you did for row 1, but this time you're going to be working them in the single crochet that's in the very center of your shells, how we did the single crochet with 2 chain 3s on either side. And that single crochet you're going to work 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Once you have your 9, you're going to find this chain 1 space that we did between our decreases. We have a decrease worked on this shell, then we have a decrease worked on this one, and we chained 1 before starting our next decrease, so we've left this big old space here, and in this big old space there is where you're going to put your single crochet. So I'm just going to go right into that big old space, pull up a loop, and do a single crochet there. And then now you're going to start doing your next set of 9 double crochets worked in your single crochet here. Then again you're going to single crochet in this big old space here, and then again in the single crochet you're going to work your 9 double crochets. So continue that down your row, and I'll show you how to end row 3. For the end of row 3, we're going to find that chain 3 here, and we're going to work a single crochet in the top of that chain 3, and that's the end of the repeat. So go ahead and back it up to row 2, and I'll show you how to work on the tops of your 9 double crochets again. So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like and share and comment down below. It helps me out so much. And let me know what you think about the video. Also, if you're wondering what kind of hook I was using during this video, it's a wooden Furls hook. And if you're going to order one, I recommend you order it with an extended handle. If not, you're only going to get half the size. Also, I have a group on Facebook called Crochet for the Masses. You can find the link to the where to find the hook and where to find my Facebook group in the description box under the video. And there we share links to free patterns, we share pictures of projects we've done. We ask questions if we have them. It's a really good group to go for, a good source for crochet and other people that like to crochet. So I really hope I see you there. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.